Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, Salva's Delicious Kitchen. Today's recipe again doesn't need any kind of introduction because the name itself says the story. That is Tandoori Chicken. When we say Tandoori Chicken, what flashes first in our mind is the restaurant style of Tandoori Chicken, which is made in the tandoor the traditional way with that smoky flavor. But then I'll give you a recipe today which is exactly like the restaurant one, much better in taste with that exactly good flavor of the charcoal. But just make sure that you do not miss any of the tips, so do watch the video till the end. And for those who are new to my channel, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. And here are the ingredients what I've taken for the first marination. That is 1 kg chicken, washed and drained well for an hour so that it's really dried. And as my chicken was small, I've just pricked it in the knife. If it's a big chicken, just make sure you make a deep cut. 3 tablespoons of lime, 1 tablespoon of salt, ginger garlic paste 1.5 tablespoons. Salt can always be added according to your taste. Here in a bowl I'm adding the lime juice, ginger garlic paste and salt to the chicken, giving it a good mix. Make sure you mix it well, and then marinating it for 40 minutes is minimal. I marinated it for around 1 hour. And then here goes the second marination ingredients along with the first marinated chicken, and then 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. This gives a nice red color. And then 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder. This is home blend, that's why I've taken 1 tablespoon. If it is store bought, just take 1 teaspoon. And here is the magic ingredient which really gives the good flavor. That is 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. And this is kasuri methi, another important ingredient. That is 1 tablespoon I've taken. And 3 tablespoons of yogurt or dahi, the thick one. And a pinch of red color. This is really optional. It's up to you if you want to add it or not. And then here you can see I'm just discarding the water which is extra. Even though how much ever the chicken is dry, still there's some water left, but do not add it to this. Here I've taken the dry ingredients along with the oil and mixing it well, adding the yogurt and again giving it a good mix so that there's no lumps left from the yogurt. And one by one adding all the chicken pieces. Give a good mix. Make sure, this is actually an important step to make sure the masala is coated well, and give a good mix. This really took me around 5 minutes to make sure that every piece and every part of the chicken is coated well. And here, this is my habit always when making tandoori chicken. At the last again I add a little bit of salt and half lime so that I make sure, because when we discard the water, I don't want the lemon or salt to be anywhere less in the chicken. My chicken was marinated for a good 6 hours. If you can marinate it overnight, that's really good. Longer the better, as I always say. And here, as you all can see, I'm making the tandoori chicken on my electric grill, but you can exactly make the same on any normal non-stick pan with 2 tablespoons of butter on it, or even grill pan works good. And here, as you saw, I just started with a chunk of butter. I greased it on the grill and then placed the chicken pieces on it. If making this on a frying pan, just make sure the flame is from medium to low flame. It shouldn't be on high. Here, around 10 minutes it was cooked on the one side, and then I flipped it to one other side and buttered the chicken pieces. Just brushed it with the butter. As mine was a very small chicken, so it did not take me more than 25 minutes for the fully done chicken. And once this was done, when I felt the chicken is perfectly cooked and roasted now, I kept a piece of 2-3 pieces of small chunks of charcoal on the low flame and then waited till it was really red. And then with the help of aluminium foil, I just placed it in between and just drizzle some chunks of butter, or you can even take oil and then close the lid. This is what the real touch of the traditional tandoori chicken with that nice smoky flavor. Trust me, the pieces now what you're gonna have, you'll really feel as if you're having it in the restaurant with that nice charcoal flavor, even if it is done on the pan. See the perfect cooked chicken. It was really delicious and juicy. This was my dinner plate with chicken pieces, garlic dip, caboose, and some salad. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to show the recipe for the thoom or the garlic dip. And do give a try on this delicious recipe and also share it with your friends and family. Coming to my extra points, just to note that I have used mustard oil, which is really important. But then, if you do not have mustard oil, you can also take normal vegetable oil or olive oil. And spiciness can be added more or less according to you. Do follow me on Instagram and share the picture of the dishes what you have tried from my channel so that I can share it on my wall. And also do hit a like on my Facebook page. I hope till now you have subscribed to my channel. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.